Well, here I am in a quiet corner, practicing video analysis for the first time. I didn't intend to show this video, but I was so pleased with the results that I decided to post it. By analysing the motion of a falling ball, frame by frame, I'm going to attempt to determine the acceleration of free fall, little g. Here's the scenario. You can see the meter ruler in the background. That allows the computer to scale the picture so that it can measure displacements accurately. Here you can see that the frames per second is 15, so the computer knows that the time between each frame is 1/15 of a second. So let's do the analysis. I'm using the crosshairs to mark the position of the ball. I'm trying to line up the crosshairs on the bottom of the ball. This takes quite a while to do accurately, so we'll jump ahead. And there we have the position of the ball on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames. 7 pieces of data that the computer can now use to plot a displacement time graph. What do you think that will look like? So the displacement is increasing with time, but not in a regular fashion, because the ball is accelerating. You'll remember that the gradient of a displacement time graph is the velocity. So we see the gradient is getting steeper and steeper with time. Notice that the displacements are negative values because the ball is moving downwards from its original position. The computer can now use the data to plot a velocity time graph. Let's have a look at that. As I hope you predicted, the graph is a beautiful straight line. The velocities are increasing in the downward direction. The gradient of this velocity time graph will be the acceleration of free fall, little g, sometimes called the acceleration due to gravity. We know that the magnitude of this should be 9.8 meters per second per second. So I was eager to find out how well my experiment had worked and how close to that value I could get. I'll ask the computer to calculate the gradient for me. All I need to do is to click on this end of the line and then on this end. And there you can see the value, minus 9.8 meters per second per second. Of course, there's some uncertainty too because it's impossible to position the red dots perfectly. Still, I'm very happy with that. This shows how powerful video analysis can be. I was using a piece of free software from the internet written by Bob Carlson. It's called Physics Toolkit and the website address is on the screen. Bob has dozens of films on his site ready for you to analyse if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll see you next time. Bye.